Hello, this is Jayashree Bhagwat, lecturer in electronics, Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. In this video, we will learn AND gate using diodes. We will verify the truth table of AND gate by using diode. This is AND gate. It has two inputs A and B, output is Y. This is logical expression Y equals to logical multiplication of inputs. And this is the truth table. These two are the inputs A and B and Y is the output. So according to logical expression we can identify the output. Suppose inputs are 0 0, then logical multiplication of inputs 0 into 0, therefore output will be 0. If A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, then logical multiplication of it 0, therefore we are getting output equals to 0. If A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, then we will get output equals to 0. And if both inputs equals to 1 1, then we will get output equals to 1. So now we will verify this output. So this is circuit of AND gate using diode. So there are two diodes are used, diode D1 and diode D2. A and B, these are two inputs which are given to the cathodes of diode, and to the anode VCC, which is equals to DC 5 volt, is applied. In this condition, anode is at higher potential because we have connected anode at the plus 5 volt and we have applied logic 0, that is 0 volt to the cathode. Therefore both diodes will be in forward bias condition and both diodes will act as a closed switch. Hence current will start to flow from VCC through diode D1 towards A, that is towards low potential. Also current flows through the diode D2 also because it is in forward bias condition towards lower potential, and we will get output equals to 0 because this ground or the logic 0 is get connected directly to the output. As well as when current flow through this resistor, then there is voltage drop across resistor. Therefore if A equals to and B equals to, that is both inputs equals to 0, then we will get output is logic 0. Consider the second condition, if A equals to 0 and B equals to 1. Now logic 0 means 0 volt and logic 1 means 5 volt. Now for the diode 2, second diode, anode is connected to VCC as well as cathode is connected to also plus 5 volt. Therefore only diode D1 will be in forward bias condition and it will act as a closed switch, but diode D2 will be in reverse bias condition and it will act as a open switch. Hence current flow from the VCC through resistor through diode D1 only. No current will flow through the diode D2. Hence for this condition of input we will get output equals to 0 because this logic 0 is get connected to the output because diode D1 is in forward bias condition and it acts as a closed switch. Next condition, if input A equals to 1 and input B equals to 0. Now for the first diode, cathode is connected to also higher potential, that is plus 5 volt. Therefore now diode D1 will be in reverse bias condition and diode D2 will be in forward bias condition. Therefore diode D1 will act as an open switch and diode D2 will act as a closed switch. Hence now in this situation current only flow through diode D2 and no current will flow through diode D1. Again we will get output equals to logic 0. Now for the last condition, if both inputs equals to 1 1, means the cathode of both diodes are connected to logic 1, that is plus 5 volt, means now both diodes will be in reverse bias condition and both diode will act as a open switch. Hence there is no current flow through any diode. Hence there is no current through this resistor, means no voltage drop. Hence we will get output which is exactly equals to VCC, that is logic 1. Thank you.